Did you know a man can spend 40 years fighting for something and only discover the ground beneath it was never solid? He sits in a small room now. No uniform, no orders, just a letter on the table and a silence that has no end. His hands are still. The same hands that carried wounded brothers out of burning fields. The same hands that held the flag at 17 funerals. The letter tells him the story was wrong. The founding moment, the injustice that made every sacrifice feel necessary, the reason he gave everything, it did not happen the way they said it did. He does not rage, he does not weep, he just sits. And slowly, one thought rises through the quiet. The man he carried out of the fire was still saved. The widow he comforted still found peace. The good was still real, even if the story around it was not. This is the hardest Stoic truth. You are not the narrative you lived inside. You are what you chose to do within it. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.